was still explaining in the last video. I was still explaining you about how you can spot that this one is a very valid pullback, or it's a valid break of structure, change of character, all of those. When the market moves, it has to break. It has to break here. Look at here on this line. Look at this line. This one. The candle broken that high, and you have to wait for a confirmation candle. What do I mean by a confirmation candle? The market has to form a candle that closes above this line with a body. Okay, with a body, not a wick. It has to close that high with a candle body, not a candle wick. Hope you're getting me. It has to close here with a candle body, and our body this time was on this small candle. This one. It was this small candle. This one. This third candle here. It's the one that closed above the other previous high, and that was truly indicating a valid break of structure. When the structure is broken, just wait for any retest. For a retest. What do I mean by retest? The market has to move back. To the downside. It has many reasons why it has to move back. I'll explain to you, but it has to move back and then try to attempt for another new high. As you can see it came down and moved again to the upside. Think you can see it came back here, it retested here and moved, then it came and broke our last protected high and then retested again. It went up again. That's how the market moves. But on moving up, it will not reach this low, this protected low. Now this is our protected low. This was a protected low here, and now this is our protected low. So when the market tries to retest, it has to stop above this low, the previous low. Once you see it breaking the previous low, just know it's now changing character. It is probably going to change the direction. I think you can see it. This one is relatively close to this one, but still it did not reach there. It stopped above it, showing that there is something it was looking for before it goes up. And when it reached that level, it tried to retrace again, but the retracement did not work as a retracement. The buyers had lost power. I think you can see the buyers had lost power over the market, so the market had to come down and give opportunity to the sellers. Okay, the market has to move in both directions, the discount and premium zones. It has to give buyers time, and still it has to give the sellers time. It cannot be one-sided. If buyers buy more, they have to sell. Sellers will also claim and change the market. That's why it has to come down. Now you can see here, it came down and reached that level. It broke our previous protected low. This time this is not a retracement. I think you can all see it closed that previous protected low with a candle body, showing you that now sellers have taken control over the market, and the market made a retracement. It went back down. It also again broke that previous protected low. This one, it it has broken it still with the candle body. It went down, it rallied, it went down again. Hope you're seeing. That's how the market moves. Don't expect it to go to one side for good. No, it has to keep on giving everybody a chance to trade. Everyone in the market gets a chance to trade. Even if you were stuck, like the market went up when you're waiting these areas, wait, the market has to come and retest on that area such that it gives you an opportunity to enter. You see, it came back in that area, it went down. Even if it's this area, not yet traded, it's not yet traded, the market has to move. You never know when, but it has to move and cover that area such that everyone in that area gets the orders done. You cannot leave uncleared orders in the market. In the next video, I'm going to teach you about the fair value gap. I know most of you have ever heard about fair value gaps. I'm going to teach about fair value gaps, and I'll teach you a little bit more about why the market retraces back on those fair value gaps. But here there is something I have forgotten to tell you. I've forgotten to tell you something here. How do you know that this is a valid pullback? How do you know that this is a valid pullback? When the market closes, when the market returns down like here, let me show you with a live example. Here, the market came down here and formed this candle. This candle, there is a candle here. It made it acted as the last lowest candle. I think you can all see. I've zoomed in. You can see it. Let me change this line to a dotted one. Now it's still thick. Let me reduce on the thickness. I want you to see it. Maybe here it's better. You can see. You can see here it's better. You see, this line, it formed it. This candle worked as our the previous candle low. I think you can see it. It is the lowest candle. It's the lowest candle on the move. So when the market comes and retraces back, that lowest candle, this candle that made the last low, this one, it made the last low. As you can see it, it's the lowest candle from that trend. That green one is even higher. This one is the last low. It is the lowest. It's the lowest candle. The next candle, like this green one, this green candle, had to form this next candle, this green one here. I'm talking about this green candle here. It has to close above this previous candle's high. I don't know whether I'm speaking too much English or the trade language is too much, but I want you to understand this. If you have not understood, you will have to rewind this video, because these are your commodities. If you're a trader, just know that these candles are your business. These candles are what you have to look for and get money. Candles are your customers. These candles are your customers, are your commodities, are what you sell, they are even what is buying from you. Are you getting me? So if you're a trader, I don't mind which trader are you. Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalper? Are you what? Whatever trader you be, but just know that these candles are your business. This candle that I've marked, the next candle should close above that candle. Are you getting me? this green candle came and closed above this candle's high here. This was the candle's high. The next candle closed above. What do I mean closed above? What do I mean by closed above? It means the next candle came and closed the body above the previous high. The candle body, this next candle body, the one that I've marked, with an arrow, it closed above the previous candle high. That shows that that's a valid pullback. And if you see this, if you wanted to trade that retest, assuming you had drawn your line, let me show you this. Assuming you had drawn your line there, just wait for that retest. If it retests there and you see that engulfing candle, just know this is a very, very valid pullback. You can enter from here. You can enter from that next candle from here and go and exit from the last protected high here. Don't exceed that last protected high, because the market, you never know, it may reach there and change character and goes down. So you move in from there. Take that little but smart. Hope you're getting me. Take that little money but smart. Don't be too greedy. If you be greedy, they'll liquidate you. You know, some of you trade futures. And futures have money, you know. Even me, I trade futures. I cannot wait for the simple money from cannot wait for that simple money from those spot markets. They take long. Sometimes they take long, but still they deliver your money safe. Are you getting it? So let me make the end of this video. Let me go to the next video. We are going to talk about the fair value gaps and explain you more details about fair value gaps.